Today we will talk about the passive voice of present perfect tense. As you know, we talk about the perfect tense when an action started in the past and completed at present. So we speak present perfect tense. And for present perfect tense we speak have, has, and then third form of verb. But when we do not want to speak the object, the people who have done something, the person who has done something, then we speak the present perfect tense in passive voice. Before making the examples, let me tell you the method of making perfect tense, method of speaking perfect tense in passive voice. First of all, you will speak the object. In the beginning of the sentence, you will speak the object. After that, you will speak has been or have been. Has been is spoken for singular things like he has been, she has been, it has been, something has been. And have been is spoken for plurals like you have been, they have been, we have been, the people have been, the students have been, the teachers have been. After that, we speak third form of verb like taught, eaten, given, opened, closed, gone. For example, your mobile has been repaired. Who repaired your mobile? Who has repaired your mobile? I don't know. I do not want to mention. If I know, even if I know, I do not want to tell you, because you don't need to know about the person who repaired the mobile. Let me make the situation. Your mobile is out of order, it's not working. You go to a shop, you give your mobile and you say that please repair my mobile, there is some problem in it. And then the shopkeeper takes your mobile and he says to you, please come tomorrow. And when you go tomorrow again and you ask about your mobile, the person who is sitting at the shop says to you, yes, your mobile has been repaired. He didn't say that I have repaired your mobile or somebody has repaired your mobile, but he says your mobile has been repaired, means somebody has repaired your mobile. And then you do not ask, you don't say that, oh, who repaired my mobile? I want to see the person. No, there is no need to know the subject. So in this kind of situation, you can speak the passive voice. Your mobile has been repaired. Your mobile is an object, has been, and then repaired, third form of verb. So in this way you can make more situations and you can make more examples of passive voice in present perfect tense by yourself. Thank you so much for watching the video.